This 5-cent Jefferson nickel sold for $750, and in this video I'm going to tell you exactly why it brought this much money and what you can do if you find one. So let's hop into this video. So this is a 1971 5-cent Jefferson nickel that graded at the Proof 67 grade by NGC. Now the first thing that you are going to notice on this coin is the toning on it, which is all of this color going on. Now a normal person that looks at this coin may think this is some sort of damage or rust or staining occurring. Trust me, I definitely understand that because it does look that way. However, this is called toning, and toning is a naturally occurring oxidation process that happens when the air will oxidize with the metals in the coin, causing this look. Now, there are some collectors out there that will pay more money for toned coins, but it really comes down to the eye appeal of the coin, how the coin looks, and whether or not a collector will put value on this look. Me personally, I don't think this coin looks that great, but there are some tonings on coins that look fantastic. So this is a proof coin. Now proof coins and business strike normally issued coins look much different. The biggest key differentiator here is the backdrop or field of the coin is going to be incredibly shiny and lustrous. It will almost have a mirror-like finish to it. Now on top of that, this is a no S mint mark coin. So typically this specific proof coin will have an S mint mark somewhere on the coin standing for the San Francisco Mint where the coin was produced. Somehow this coin did not receive that S mint mark when in reality it should have. Now the thing is, this coin also came produced from the Philadelphia Mint, and most of the time Philadelphia Mints will not have any mint mark on the coin whatsoever. What you need to know is that if you have a proof coin and it looks like this, it might be worth getting graded and selling for a lot of money, just like this one that sold for $750. The Coin and Currency Mastermind class is coming soon. Click the link below to join the waitlist and I'll see you inside.